What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing to my channel. And while you're at it, smash that like button for me. I really would appreciate it. Also, hit that post notification bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. Be careful down in the comment section of the videos. A lot of spam, a lot of scammers. I will never ask you to contact me by WhatsApp or Telegram. I also do not invest money for my subscribers, so please be careful. Don't get yourself scammed. If you want up to 12 free stocks, Webull is going to give you up to 12 free stocks when you open a new Webull brokerage account. Put any amount of money in that brokerage account. They're going to give you up to 12 free stocks for just trying out the brokerage app. Those 12 free stocks will be worth up to $30,600. There's a link in the description box of the video. Go click on that Webull link. Open up your new Webull brokerage account today. Go get that free stock. Go get that free money. So we're one day removed from the Federal Reserve increasing short-term interest rates, aka the Fed funds rate, by 25 basis points. And initially, when the rate hike happened, the market was pretty solid. There wasn't any indication that there would be a sell-off. But that all changed when the Federal Reserve Chairman, Jerome Powell, made his comments on Wednesday, May 3rd. And the reason the market sold off after his comments was because the market was really hoping Fed Chair Powell would give some clear indication that they would stop increasing short-term interest rates. They would put a pause on rate hikes. But the Fed chair did not give that clear indication. The Fed chair basically said inflation is still too high, and right now we're not sure if we're going to have to continue increasing interest rates to continue to fight inflation to bring it down to 2%. You got to understand, guys, inflation is still at 5%. Of course, it's a long ways from the 9% it was in June of 2022, but we still are not at price stability at 5% inflation. So the Fed chair said, hey, listen, we're making progress. We like the progress we're making, but inflation's still too high. So no, we're not going to give you a clear signal that we're going to stop rate hikes, because we may have to continue increasing rates if certain things don't happen over the next several months. And one of those things that need to happen is a softening in the red hot labor market, right? So the market didn't like that. So your three major indexes, the NASDAQ, the S&P, and the Dow Jones, closed lower. Lost some gains from previous weeks. When I'm looking at the market today, it's not too bad. I'll just give you a quick example. Yesterday, Apple was in that 168, 170 per share range. And this morning when I looked at it, it was around 164, close to 165. So not a major sell-off, little bit, but I think we'll get those gains back if we can get a positive CPI report for April. And we should be getting that shortly. I believe in the middle of May. I don't know the exact date, but you guys can look it up, but it's coming. If we can get a positive CPI report, and then if we can get a positive jobs report, then I think the market bounced back pretty quickly, right? Again, I don't think it was a major sell-off, a little minor one, but that's to be expected because, again, the stock market, man, the financial markets, they want certainty, and Fed Chair Jerome Powell didn't give that to them. And when you don't have certainty, What do you have? Uncertainty. So that uncertainty is not good for the stock market. Why? Because investors want certainty. When they're putting their money into these companies, especially these institutional investors who are moving trillions of dollars into these companies, they want to know with some certainty that they're going to get a return on their investment. So right now, you're going to see U.S. Treasuries still be the safe haven, right, for big institutional investors. Retail investors like us, I keep telling you guys, man, right now is the opportunity where you build wealth. So while these assets are on sale, you should be buying, in my opinion. You should be buying good blue chip ETFs and index funds that track the S&P 500. That's what you should be doing. Dollar cost averaging in the amount of money you can afford to dollar cost average in. It's going to be different for everybody, right? But I think if you do that, you give yourself a chance to build some wealth, man, down the road, because wealth is not built overnight, guys. It takes time. It takes time. But I think if you do that, you give yourself a chance to win and win big, because that's what history says, right? History tells us if I can buy blue chip stocks, blue chip ETFs, index funds at a discount, and I'm willing to be patient and hold them, I got an opportunity really, man, to make some money. That's what history tells us. That's not what I'm telling you. I'm telling you what history tells you. But now let me tell you what I've experienced that's true, right? I've been doing this over 22 years, guys, and I built a good part of my wealth through investing in paper assets. The other part of my wealth I built through investing in real estate. And now this third part of me building wealth is through a business. So those are the big three, man. Those are the asset classes you should be investing in my opinion. Now, you do whatever you want to do, because I'm not a financial advisor and I'm not trying to tell you what to do with your money. But I'm telling you, if you want to multiply it and create yourself some assets that generate passive income so you can do the things that are most important to you, then yeah, it's a perfect opportunity right now when it comes to paper assets and building businesses. Real estate market is a little bit, a little high. So I don't encourage people to go head first into real estate right now unless they know what they're doing. Because right now it's tricky. You really got to know what you're doing in real estate to position yourself in a position where you don't lose, right? So, but paper assets, building a business, perfect opportunity right now with the way things are, man. So if you haven't got those two asset classes going, jump on them. What are you waiting on? There's no need to be waiting. Get out there and start investing in assets that build wealth for yourself. I'm out here, man, in the new community for the first time, doing my little walk and talk. And I must say, man, it's pretty pleasant. I gotta admit, though, it's not as plush from a greenery standpoint as the old neighborhood, but this new neighborhood it's vast. But I like it. A lot of traffic on the roads inside the community because there's still a lot of building going on, so you got a lot of construction folks out here. But outside of that, it ain't a lot of traffic from people. So my old community, man, you got traffic jams, man, of people out there getting in this beautiful sunshine and this fresh air. And that's the one thing else, guys, I encourage you to get out and get you some exercise on a daily basis, man. I don't care if it's 20 minutes a day with some walking. Get something, because you can have all the wealth in the world, but tell you what, if you don't have no health, that wealth don't mean nothing. Drop me some comments down in the comment box and let me know what you think about Fed Chair Jerome Powell's comments yesterday about inflation still too high and too early to give certainty that they're gonna put a pause on rate hikes. Love to know your opinion on that, so drop them down in the comment box. If you want them 12 free stocks from Webull, click on that link down in the description box. Open up that new Webull account today, man. Go get that free stock, go get that free money. If you're stopping by the channel for the first time, please consider subscribing, share the video, smash the like button. Thoughts become things. If you can see it in your mind, you can hold it in your hands. You guys keep chasing your greatness. Never stop believing in yourself. And I'm gonna catch you on the next video. Peace.